Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily deposit and withdraw money, or where you can find how you can deposit and withdraw on Avatrade. So what you need to do is pretty straightforward. I don't have a verified account right now, but I'm going to show you how you can do it, right? So if you're going to be here and you're going to be in Avatrade, you want to open on top of the menu. Here you're going to have the withdrawal, list of withdrawals, and here you can simply withdraw money. But I don't have verified account this one, but here you would find how you can withdraw. And on the deposit, you would find it right here. So that's pretty much it, and that's pretty straightforward tutorial. Now I know that I don't have the verified account, and I'm sorry for that. This is just the demo account that I'm using for Avatrade, but here you can withdraw and here you can deposit directly in the menu. And then you would choose a simple bank account, and also like how much you want to withdraw and how much you want to deposit. So thank you very much guys, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.